Right there. Good morning, Philippines!
Ito yung nabili namin, guys. Did you eat your din-din? You didn't, right? You didn't? You did? What? Did you? Did you eat your din-din?
We bought a cat.
Okay, what did you get?
Cat. What a
Cat food?
What a cat. What a kitten me getting a cat.
Cat food. You get cat food?
Cat foods. Some air fresheners.
And
Eggies.
can you put that little cat down?
No, he wanna be there.
And his tummy is very slow. Cold. I'm hungry. And he got a, what is this, honey?
Sandwich.
Sandwich for lunch.
Guys, this is hardly an exciting shopping spree. Creamer for coffee. And we got lots of turkeys for the kids.
What kind of turkey?
Turkeys.
Okay, and what else? And there's another one here.
There's 4 of them.
4?
4 in one hand. This is big here.
And I got,
Even though she gives my ham to the kids.
and I got, what is this, honey? Banana leaves. Dalawa siya, guys, kasi
More turkey.
yeah, more turkey. Frozen po siya, guys, frozen. So, magsuman tayo.
Turkey. Mangoes.
Mango.
3 Kings Hawaiian bread.
Okay.
24 packs. Oh, yeah. I'm not pretty in the bed.
Put him down, put him down. You're struggling, oi.
2 cases of dog food. 2 bags of dry cat food.
What else?
1 laundry detergent.
What is that kind?
Ariel. I like the Little Mermaid. Clementine. With her. We got we have a white American cheese because I didn't have any yellow.
Just leave that chicken there.
We got a chicken.
The whole chicken,
A
guys.
roaster chicken.
Yeah, leave it there.
We got some broccoli crowns.
Yeah.
We got, what else do we got in here? What? Hobbs, really?
Put him down, honey. Struggling.
We got some of these,
Bok choy.
not bok choy,
Chayote.
peyote.
And what else?
I don't know what else in there.
Lime, guys. Chayote and lime.
And more kitten treats. More kitten treats. Kitten treats. Kitten treats. We had dog bones here somewhere. I don't know where they went.
Yeah, okay. So that's it.
Hobbs, really?
Okay, that's it.
Glass cleaner. Dog bones.
Kain lang kami, guys. Kasi nagutom talaga kami, as in. I'm sure this dog is hungry. If they were hungry, they will eat it, right? So, ang kakainin ko is rice at saka yung leftover ko na niluto ko kahapon na egg. It's that century tuna. But I don't have nothing to place to sit on. Sawa take over the whole counter. That's why I need the table. Tibuloy. Ang binili ni Tommy got a sandwich. So, yun yung lunch niya. Sandwich. Look. He's doing a sandwich. Okay, Misty, do you wanna play with me? Come here. Come down. You have to wait for me to get down, seriously. The grass will grow really fast, huh? Every time it rains. Why is that? You like the rain?
Grass fell.
Oh. There's one dandelion here. Uy, lumaki na talaga yung bok choy ko. Tignan niyo yung bok choy ko. Lumaki na. I-harvest ko yan. Harvest natin yan. Anyari? May kumain sa anak ko. Ay, nako. Lalaki na yan. Yung mga bok choy natin. Guys, lumaki yung arugula, oh. Look, ready for salad na yan. Andun yung arugula, hindi ko na transfer. Yan. Yung mga litos. Masarap itong litos na to ba? Mga ganito. Look, mga ganyan. Oh, masarap yan. 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 Madami pa pala dito. Kalimutan ko. Hala, yung eggplant ko dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Yung malaking eggplant na katulad sa atin. Look. Who's asleep in here? Who is it? I just washed this thing and you're over there. I just washed this area here. I just washed this cover. Yes, I just did wash this. I just did wash it. And why you do that? And why? Yeah. He does. And she's so happy, honey. He's so busy, guys. Hey, look at me. Actor! Actor. Fernando po Jr. Fernando po is still alive. You know, he passed away long time ago. He ran for president. He lost. He has a heart attack after.
Oh, I actually lost.
That's what the wife said. I think that's what they said. I'm not sure, but they said after really the thing, he has a heart attack and he passed away. And because he knows that he been cheated, like the election. Tami, ako na lang dito mag-isa. Iniwan po ako ni Mr. guys. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan si Mr. ko? Yung kapitbahay tumawag dito. I don't know kung saan nila nakuha yung number dito. Pinapunta si Tami doon. Sabi ko, ayaw kong pumunta. Hugasan ko lang tong mango, guys, ha. Sabi ko, ayaw ko kasi hindi ko feel. Yun, umalis siya. Pumunta siya doon, sabi niya. Sabi pa ni Tami sa akin. Oh, punta tayo doon. Sabi ko, wag na, ikaw na. Kung gusto kang magpunta doon, ikaw na. Wag na ako kasi. So yan, kaya siya yung nagpunta doon. At ako naman, habang wala siya, diba? Kakain tayo ng mangga, guys. Matamis man siya. Parang hinog na ba? Parang bunog man ito nga hinog, eh. Yung hinog na bunog na. Nanonood kami ng movie ni Tami. Yun, iniwan niya ako. Nagbunta sa kapitbahay. Tikman. Matamis naman. Nakauwi na si Tami, guys. Andun, kinausap niya yung pinsan niya. And ngayon, nagluluto tayo ng asparagus. Nabuel ko to kanina habang diba? Naghintay ako kay Tami. Ngayon, andito na siya. Ginano ko lang siya sa garlic. Bilis siya. Sarap yan. And then, meron naman ay, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. As in, ang sarap. Ang sarap na panahon. Bukas is mainit. Sobra ang init bukas. Okay, harvest tayo, guys. Piliin natin yung mga malalaki. Okay, ito. Okay. Maghanap tayo ng malaki. Dito, oh. Dito, may malaki dito. Okay. Second harvest. Okay. May mga maliliit pa. Ito naman. This first harvest, guys. Look. So pretty. That's why it doesn't go big because I forgot it's a cherry one. Small.
It's supposed to be small?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's supposedly be this one is small, guys. So hindi na ito lalaki. Nakalimutan ko cherry pala ito. Parang pagka Yung mga maliit ba? Andun si Roxy eh.
Wow, you want a radish?
That is so pretty. Look at it. Harvest.
You want a radish?
So nice.
They're really tiny though.
Yeah, cherry. You can just eat it, right?
Yeah.
Put it in the
They
thing.
don't get bigger than that? That's as big as they get?
Yeah, it's a cherry one.
No, I guess I will get bigger radishes.
Well, I
They
can.
grow fast enough, it seems.
Yeah, I can replant more. That area there, make it radish area. So, hugasan ko siya, guys. Hugasan ko lang to kasi para makuha yung excited look, no? Bagong harvest. Happy.
Right.
I need to buy more radish, hon.
Want to like shrimp fry?
No, I just want salad. I just want salad, hon.
You with rice and life? Come on.
I'm diet.
Yeah.
I eat a lot of rice this afternoon, that's why.
Come on, huh? Rice and life, huh? Look at, oh, it's on the U. That's why. It's right there. Right there.
Oh, the big one. Can you do that? I like it.
Right there. Well, they're nice and fresh looking.
Yeah. Okay. You're
Alright,
gonna
so-
use. It's nice to have a radish. Look. Ikakat ko lang po siya, guys. Ganon. And, ganon. Ang saya, no? Sobrang liit niya. I need to buy more, radish seedlings. They grow really fast. So, it's like, maybe, I don't know when I started seedlinging this. I think it's just 1 month, right, Han? Because when the weather's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yun.
They grow fast, obviously.
Huh?
Well, compared to everything else, they grow fast.
I like it, Han. I like it, Han. I need to make more. Now, ay nako. Now I want greenhouse. Maybe this survive in the greenhouse and it's cold because they like cold. Do you love your wife?
Yes, huh?
You do?
She's always got a camera pointed at my face.
You. I love you. You're mine?
Yeah. I don't know why I would brag about that about you, but okay.
Yes. You're mine. Kain lang kami guys kasi time is it? It's almost 7 o'clock na, Han.
Yep.
Kakat ko lang yung radish.
Here's your dish. Put your salads.
So,
Be a clapping. You don't want the rice. You sure? I'll put it away.
so ito yung pagkain namin, guys. Sobrang yummy. Yummy.
Vinegar.
Ha?
I need vinegar.
Okay. Here's your vinegar. This is so good. And we have this, Han, Han?
Yeah.
Asparagus. Yun. Healthy. I told Tommy, guys, we're going to eat salad more when my lettuce is growing. Yan.
When I'm not here, I eat salad all the freaking. I don't need it. I got the chicken.
Huh? Good. Huh? I put too much
How old is
vinegar.
she? 17, 18, she just started college. That's why I didn't want to put the vinegar in, because then you told me I put too much.
That's a lot of vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Vinegar yung nilagay ko, guys.
Add that, I'll cut it.
It's already vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
If I add that,
There's no vinegar in it.
the chicken is good, Han.
That's why I put vinegar with it.
Kain tayo ng radish. It's so good, guys. So crispy and very like. I like it, Han.
How many years you tell me you don't like it without even trying it?
I like it because it's my harvest.
Or you like it because it's radish.
And it's mine.
And you never tasted it before. You only taste it because it's yours. Then you know you like it.
I taste it because I just harvested it.
Mm-hmm.
If it's not mine harvest, I won't eat it.
But all the time I tell you radish, oh no, I don't like those. You say I don't like for a lot of things you never try.
Hi guys! Nanonood kami ng true story about yung pinutol yung ari ng lalaki. True story, sinishare niya yung the story of her life when he cut the arere. But you know, it's already 8:30. We're gonna end the vlog.
Right, she's liking this movie.
It's a true story.
I know it's a true story. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. So we're gonna end the vlog, guys.
Hi guys.
I love you.
I love you too. She sleep with a knife.
You think I'm really a bad person, huh? You really think I'm bad? I will put the knife back here in the kitchen.
I put the knife right in your back.
Wow. Please don't say that, huh?
Well, you said I put the knife back here.
I cannot even know how to point. Squish you, hurt you. I don't even know.
What?
I don't hurt you, And I never hurt you.
Yeah.
Did you hurt me? Did I hurt you? What kind of hurt? Tell me.
All kinds, hon.
Okay, hon, I don't like that, honey. Now I can't. Now I can't. Hon, I don't hurt you.
I wasn't crippled before.
You know what, hon?
You know what?
My fault.
That was my fault. I'm just mean person, bad person.
I love you.
I love you too. When you get no sense of humor and your daughter's putting her sad face on it.
Okay, guys. Good night. We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Like I pointed at your sad daughter.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys. This way you don't make her get up.
I can just do that. Look at that. Look at that face. And the other one, they look.
And the bug's in the bed and Dimples is I don't know where.
Hala! Hala! Di ko kina... Okay, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, hon. Good night. Good night, hon. Good night, love. So cute. So cute.